Hey guys, what is up? I am back with another nail video. If you guys haven't seen my last one, let's disregard that one because this one is so much better. So today we are playing with Polygel. This was actually my first time and I think I did a pretty good job. As you can see, my nails are bare, clean, and ready to go. So let's take a look at what we have here and let's get started. I'm going to take this Modelones Nail Gel Extension Builder. Again, this was my first time and I couldn't believe how easy it was to use this kit. When you open it, you get all your information, you get your little tarjetitas. This one is the instructions manual, which is very easy to follow along. You do get an extra set of nails in case you don't like the arched ones. It also comes with a little card that it just gives you like a little thank you for purchasing their stuff. It also comes with a nail buffer, which I've already used mine. I try to practice on my sisters. It comes with this little tool right here, which is actually dual-sided. When you open it, on one side you're going to get your little brush, which you're going to use to build your polygel nails onto the fake nails that they have provided, and then on the other side it comes with a little spatula. This one you can use it to push back your cuticles, or you can just use it to apply the polygel onto the fake nails. Now these are the dual forms and these come with a bunch of them, and it also comes with a need help card, which I thought was pretty easy. It comes with 6 different shades. It also comes with your base coats, your top coats, as well as your little, it's almost like an alcohol. Anyway, so the first color that I'm showing you guys is the shade Pure White, and then this one is Soft Pink. Soft Pink is the one that I'm actually wearing right now. I switched my nails, and this one is in the shade Light Pink. This one is also really pretty. I tried this one on my friend and it looks super cute on her. The next shade is Light Apricot, which is actually the one that I chose, and honestly this is probably my favorite one from anything that I've tried. I've tried this 2 times by now. So that's the one that I'm wearing. And then the third one that we have here is called Nude. Nude is also my favorite one. I also tried this one on my sister and she really liked it. And then the last one, which is probably the coolest one, is their temperature change. It changes with your the temperature outside, changes color. I'm also going to be using this little wooden stick to push back my cuticles. If you don't have that, like I said, you can use the little spatula. So all I'm going to do is going to push back the cuticles. This is going to help remove any dead skin that I may have on my nail bed. It is super, and I mean super important to really prep your nails before you do anything, because if you don't prep them right, you will experience fallouts with the nails. They'll pop right off. I'm going to take the little nail buffer and just lightly buff my nails. I know that this isn't ideal, but I'm not being too harsh. I'm just really going over them so I can roughen them up a little bit. That way when you apply your base coat and your gel, it has something to adhere to. Again, this is an important step for prepping your nails, making sure that everything is good to go. Then you want to take a little bit of alcohol and clean them so you don't leave any dust or debris. Now you're going to take your dual forms and you're going to check which ones fit your nails. I personally have really wide nail beds and I was hoping that these were going to work for me because some of them are too thin. You want to make sure though that when you do choose the right nail form, that it fits from side to side and from all around the cuticle, because you don't want to leave any spaces out and then they're going to crack. So make sure you do that. Now you're going to take your slip solution. If you don't get a slip solution, you can also use 70% alcohol, which is what I also have been using. And then once you've done that, you want to prep your nails with the base coat. And what I really like about this is that you don't have to double dip. Honestly, just one and you are good to go. And then you want to cure your nails for about 60 seconds. I didn't have the Modelones LED lights, but I do have it in the mail coming to me soon. So I will have to keep you guys updated as far as how I like it. The one that I have here in the video is actually from my friends. So what you want to do is you just want to squeeze out a generous amount of polygel onto the little spatula. And I always clean mine off with alcohol so it doesn't get sticky. Then you want to dip your brush into your slip solution and you just want to start forming the polygel nail. I would personally recommend for you to start with a little bit and then go back and add more gel if you need to, because if you add too much, you can make them really thick, really bulky, and it is hard. It's not easy to just do it right away. I'm still learning actually. I am still learning, but I feel like this is such an amazing product that will save you so much money if you love getting your nails done like me. This is something that I think will be awesome if you want to save some coins. So after you've done that, you just want to place your polygel nail dual form onto your nail. Make sure again that it is good from side to side, and if you do have any like leakage, or if you have any gel that just got out, just go in with your brush and clean it up. Press it down gently but not too hard so you don't get so much like fallout from the gel, and then you just want to cure that for 60 seconds, and then I do 30 seconds underneath the nail just to make sure that everything is nice and cure. Once you do that, these will pop right off. It is so satisfying. As you can see, my nail isn't perfect, and I don't know if it's supposed to look like this, but the cool thing is that this polygel is so easy to work with. All I do is take my little buffing nail thing and I just shape my nails to whatever length, shape, whatever you want. And that is it, you guys. It is so easy. I was so freaking happy when I was doing this. So I'm just going to repeat the same steps. Apply the polygel nail on, or the polygel on the dual form, and spread it, place it on my nail, cure it, so on and so forth. I'm just going to let you guys watch the rest of this video and enjoy it, and then we can hop on to the next. Now, I wanted to add a little pizzazz to the nails because they just look so pretty, but I had these little Louis Vuitton stickers that I was like, oh my god, these would look perfect. So all I did is I placed down the stickers on the nail because they do have a sticky adhesive. I didn't need to use any glue or anything. I just laid them down with my tweezers. And you just want to place them randomly however you want, whatever stickers you want. I think they would look so cute with like these glass nails, I like to call them, or transparent nails. They're so pretty, and they just added a little pizzazz. So after I did that, I figured I wanted to do something else because the other nails were just going to look boring. So before I did that, I went ahead and applied my top coats so I can cure my nails. And again, this is when I was like, I remembered that it came with rhinestones. So these are the rhinestones that it came with my kits. And I'm just going to take them out, lay them down in front of me so I can easily access them or take them and apply them on the nails. And I did apply my top coats on top of these nails. As you can see here, I just laid it down, and then I went in with my little tweezers and my little gem and applied them to the top of the nail, again just to give it a little pizzazz, and I absolutely loved them. After that, you just want to cure it for 60 seconds and you are golden, girl. Once you're done with that, girl, your nails are popping. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is how I am saving money at home, saving some coins, girl, by getting my nails done by me, myself, and I. If you guys want to see different designs or anything like that, please let me know in the comment section down below. But I'm just like head over heels over this kit. I think it's amazing. Let me know what you guys think, and if you have tried this on yourself, what are some tips and tricks, because your girl is still learning. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you guys have an amazing day or night wherever you are, and I will see you in my next video.